In front of me is OnePlus Nord 6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Firstly, launch your keyboard and tap on Clipboard at the top of it. Now to switch it on, use this switcher at the top right corner and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Following that, you need to copy or cut any text to use it. Now, to paste it instantly, just click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, select Clipboard and tap on your text here. To manage anything from Clipboard, hold it and use all of those options, like Edit. Now, if you don't want for anything like my clip to disappear after an hour, you need to pin it. To do that, hold it and select Pin. You can always unpin it the same way. If you want to, you can also delete it by holding it. To delete it faster though, swipe it to the right or to the left. You can always manage multiple clips by clicking on this pen at the top right corner, tapping on them, and deciding if you want to use pin icon or bin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard fully, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!